Hi, I'm Sai. Today I'm going to be reviewing this 60-inch Amazon Basics lightweight tripod. Comes with this bag here, and I've never opened it. This is my first time viewing it, and I have a tripod that I've had for a long time that's working pretty well, but a couple of the pieces on it are kind of wearing out, so it's not as stable as it used to be. So I was looking for something that was not very expensive, but that also did a good job and that was kind of heavy duty, hopefully even better than what I have. So let's take a look inside. All right, looks like that's all that's in the bag. It looks pretty and it feels pretty heavy duty, I have to say. Let's give a close-up look of it. Feels much more heavy duty than what I currently have. Let's go ahead and open it up and see how it works. So now we've got to set it all the way down to the ground level, and I'd say that it's approximately 2 feet high at that level. And you've got movement this way, and it tightens up nicely, and it seems pretty stable. Let's go ahead and open it up. You can see you've got two places where you can open it up and pull from. That'll get it to the full height. We're just going to open up all those. So far, I'm feeling like it seems much more stable and much more sturdy than my other tripod, which I'm liking. So you can see what it looks like from that point. And we're going to go ahead and raise it up even higher with the adjustable top. And it looks like this is adjustable by turning this here. It goes nice and smooth. I have seen other tripods where this wasn't as smooth, so if it wasn't so smooth, I probably wouldn't like this way of adjusting, but this seems great actually. Comes out nice and easy, and it looks like this is just a handle for carrying it around when it's closed, I guess. You've also got movement this way, and let's see if that tightens up. And you can tighten that so that it doesn't move as much. If you loosen this here, this becomes less stable here. When you tighten it up, this is less mobile. Then you've got this adjuster here, so you can go up and down easily. And when you tighten it up, of course, it won't move easy. Here's where your camera goes, but it looks like the plate is removable here, and you can just take it out, and it looks like you can leave your camera connected to it. My plan is to use a tripod phone mount. Now, this is sold separately, but this is the way that I'll be using it for my phone. And so I'm just going to loosen this up here, and then you can tighten it from the bottom right here. So let's go ahead and see how easy that is to put on. And it was easy enough to put on. Let's see how it works once we get it on the mount. Yeah, and it seems nice and stable there. If I didn't say, this does not come with the tripod. This is sold separately. You can also see you've got these level bubbles here and also here, so you can make sure that your tripod is sitting straight. So I will say that this isn't the most heavy-duty tripod I've seen, but I'd say that for the price, it seems like a pretty nice, sturdy tripod. I know that it's better than what I currently have. I would probably say that, yes, some of the pieces like this right here that allows you to go from side to side, you know, it's plastic and it doesn't feel very strong, but overall, everything seems to be really functional, and you have a really stable base. Although I'm not a professional, based on what I've heard from others, this would be considered more of a starter tripod. And another thing that's important to know is that it will hold about a 6-pound camera. And I want to point out something that I like better about my old tripod, just so you kind of know what you're getting into. But you've seen how you loosen this right here, and then you can go up and down like this, and you have to tighten it back up. I do prefer my old tripod where you just go like this and it goes up and down this easy. And also this just makes it so easy to turn. In order to turn this one, you do have to loosen this right here, and I would say though that you could leave it loose for easy turning if you wanted to. So it's not a deal breaker. It's just something that I prefer, how easy it is to maneuver up and down and side to side on this older tripod that I have. Another thing that I also prefer on this style of tripod, as you have seen here, you can remove this plate here and then you add your camera on top by screwing it on, and that's fine. But I do prefer this where you just put your camera on and you just spin this. It makes it very simple to put it on. So those are just a few other things that I thought might be important for you to know. So I'm happy with this Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod, and it is pretty lightweight. I like that it comes with this black carrying case. There are a very high amount of reviews, and it has a pretty high rating. And I'd say I'm likely to get a lot of use out of this based upon what I use it for particularly. This seems way better than the one I've had for several years, so I expect it to last for a long time. time. And I'm impressed with it. So I hope you like my review of this Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod with the bag. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description to purchase or scan the QR code in the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.